Hello everyone, here I am again with another quick and easy recipe. This series I'm recording specifically for the people who are very busy in their life but likes to eat healthy and likes to cook at home, or people who are thinking to be vegetarian or already vegetarian but doesn't know a lot of option about the vegetarian food. So this series will help you to get some ideas about recipes what you can cook at home. Today I'm thinking to cook uttapam. It's a South Indian recipe, super yummy, super easy to make. So I am making this recipe first time by myself. If you're watching this video, that means my experiment was successful. So if I can cook, it means like you can cook for sure, because I'm not a great cook. So let's get to work.
So first step is to prepare a batter. For batter you would need 1 cup of semolina. In Hindi we call it Sooji. And then add 1 cup of curd. Mix it well. Add little bit of water to set the consistency. Also add 1 spoon of salt. We will set consistency later as well. For now, just add a little bit water because semolina will soak a lot of water. So we will see later after 15 to 20 minutes like how much water we need to add. So leave this batter to rest for 10 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our veggies. You can add whatever veggies you like. I'm taking green and red capsicum, carrot, onion, tomato, spring onions. It's okay if you don't have one or the other veggies. I like more veggies, so these are going to be more than enough for you. Even you can reduce a little bit if you want. I'm gonna chop them as small as I can. In quantity, I'm taking half onion, 1 chili, half red capsicum, half green capsicum, half tomato, 1 spring onion and 1 carrot. And we will grate carrot because that will make it cook faster. Also for the chili, it's your choice to add chili because the chili I'm using, it's super hot. You can skip that. You can add jalapeno if you want. Add half spoon of salt. Seems like my container is small, so I'm gonna switch my container. And then add 5 to 8 curry leaves. I have dry curry leaves, so I'm adding that. If you have fresh, please use fresh. And add chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. So that's it for the veggies. So let's check our batter. If you see, it soaked all the water, so now we are going to add more water to set the consistency of the batter. Your consistency should be something like which you can easily pour on the pan like pancakes, but uttapams are a little thicker than pancakes. So now seems like our batter is ready and veggies are ready too. Let's start cooking. Take a non-stick pan. You can take other as well, but I would recommend starting with a non-stick pan. Other pan can get a little sticky. Okay, seems like I forgot to record first batch of my uttapam, so I'm just showing you from here how it looks like. So you can make in this shape, like the smaller shape, or you can make one bigger. So this time I'm gonna try one large. So pour the batter, spread it with spoon a little bit and immediately start adding veggie. So you have to make sure like you are adding veggies immediately, because if you wait, your batter is gonna start getting dry and veggies are not gonna stick to your batter. So add immediately your veggies and press gently with spoon so that it gets stick with the batter and then cover it with some lid. As I told you, I like more veggies, so the veggies I added, these are a lot. When I have to turn it around, it's gonna be a problem for me. So now it's gonna be a problem for me because all veggies are gonna come out. But yeah, I think I did it well. So you can see. Or you can mix veggies with the batter. That also, I mean, I did it. It looks, it's very delicious if you can mix veggies and batter all together, and that's how you cook as well. So now you see all the batter is getting cooked. And just let the veggies cook for some time. And I think I'm gonna turn it around to see. Okay, seems like it's cooked. So the more veg you're gonna add, the more mess it's gonna be for you. The best way, like as I told you before, just mix both batter and veggies together. It's gonna be super easy. Smaller ones are easier to manage, so now I'm gonna make smaller. Repeat the same process like last time. Pour some batter and then add veggies immediately. We're gonna add veggies so that it got stuck with the batter, and then press it gently. And then let it cook for some time. So once you start see batter getting cooked around the corner, turn the uttapam. I like smaller one. It looks fancy and easy to eat as well. This is my go-to recipe. When I don't have time, we are rushing, we need something quick, I go for uttapam. Or sometimes when we don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, then we go for uttapam. You can eat this with guacamole, salsa, ketchup, whatever you like. Traditionally, we eat this with coconut chutney or chili chutney. Those are not easy to make. You need fresh coconut, which is hard to find here. So we just eat like this, or we eat with ketchup or salsa or guacamole. It looks delicious. So now you can keep repeating this process until you are done. So that's it for this recipe. Do try and let me know how it went for you. Did you like it or no? Just let me know, and I will come up with another recipes. Those are also gonna be super easy to make. Like, it's gonna be like not a lot of cooking time, easy quick recipes. So subscribe to my channel, please like this video if you like this recipe. So see you until next time. Bye.